Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can edit audio tracks in Capcut. So let's get started. Here I have created a project in Capcut and I have imported an audio as well to this project. And this is the audio that we're going to edit. So the first thing we have to do is click on the audio like this. Then click on the audio again until this feature appear on your screen. Then we can edit this audio track with Capcut features, and this is the features that we can use for editing the audio. Then, for example, if we want to increase the volume of the audio, we just need to click on the volume button right here. Then we can go right or go left. We can go right if we want to increase the volume, and we can go left to decrease the volume. And after we are done, we can click on this check mark. And if we want to put like a fade in and fade out effect, we can simply click on this fade option. Then we can adjust the duration of the fade in effect and also the fade out effect. And after we are done, we can click on this check mark button. And we can also put voice effects to our audio. Then just click on the voice effect, then select the effect that you want to use. There's a couple of effects right here, and I'm just going to select this high effect, and we can adjust, we can choose the effect based on its category. We can choose basic, funny, retro, speech to song. It's up to you according that you want, and I'm going to choose high effect. So just on the effect, then we can click on this check mark after we are done. Alright, and we can also speed up the audio, guys. We can click on the speed button right here. And this is the speed option. Then we can go right to increase the speed. We can make it 2 times faster, even 100 times faster. And you can go left if you want to reduce the speed. And after you're done, you can click on this check mark. Alright, and we can also add beats to this audio. We can click on beat option right here. We can also copy the audio, and we can also reduce the noise. Alright guys, and that's how we can edit audio tracks in Capcut. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.